Let's face it, teaching and learning are tougher than ever right now. And now, you're supposed to teach social and emotional learning on top of all of your other lessons. Like you possibly could add one more thing to your plate. I once heard an SEL guru say something about this that spoke to me. Social emotional learning is not adding to the plate, it is the plate. But don't worry, you need not do more work. I got you. As a social emotional learning consultant, I'm giving you 3 SEL lessons to use in your classroom right now. Click Get Access below to download them. I taught drama where understanding who we are, what makes us tick, and how to find inner sustainable confidence was my curriculum. So these lessons do work, and I'm excited for your students to try them. This package of 3 lessons is part of a larger project, lessons that run throughout the year with themes specific to the distinct energy that each month holds. Think about how different September is compared to, let's say, April. So different, right? The theme for January is believe. Something we can all use more of right now, right? Belief. Each of the 3 lessons contains writing prompts, guided meditations, printable handouts, individual and group activities, and instructional videos and teacher guides. Download these lessons now. I've made it easy for you to teach social emotional learning. They'll increase focus, ease stress, and engage students whether in class or in a virtual learning environment. Now, let's believe in January and let's believe in ourselves. Have an awesome month.